it comes to monsoon hair, the struggle to style and maintain it is real. Because truth be told, rainy days and good hair days just don't seem to go hand in hand. To add to the struggle, dealing with greasy locks adds an extra layer of complexity, making it feel like an ongoing uphill battle. डरिए मत, मैं हूं ना आपको सोल्यूशन देने के लिए। Hi guys, मैं हूं सानिया और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ टॉप 3 हेयर स्टाइल्स फॉर ग्रीजी हेयर इन मॉनसून। अगर आप बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब बटन को जरूर दबाएं और बेल आइकॉन को रिंग करें ताकि आप फ्यूचर नोटिफिकेशंस के लिए अपडेटेड रहोगे। Whenever I notice my scalp feeling greasy, I rely on my go-to product, the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Finishing Powder. This loose powder works wonders in absorbing oil from my T-zone. But did you know that it can also be used to tackle oily roots? इस powder की oil absorbing properties extend to the roots as well, making it a versatile solution. आप इसे powder brush या puff से लगा सकते हैं। Just make sure आप इसे अच्छे से blend कर रहे हो, especially if you have darker hair. This ensures a seamless finish. Before I dive into styling my hair, one of my favorite pre-hairstyle steps is applying the Tresemme Gloss Ultimate Hair Serum. This magical serum is my go-to companion when it comes to combating frizzy hair during the rainy season. To use it, simply apply the serum on your hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to the ends. It's important to avoid applying it on the roots to prevent any greasiness. First, I'm going to start off with parting my hair to the side. The idea is to create a super sleek partition and take your hair in the back. Now take all of your hair in the back and twist it up to secure your hair with a claw clip. And then I'm gonna leave the rest of my hair in the back and puff it up to make a cute little ponytail effect. For my next hairstyle, I'm gonna do a middle partition and just comb all of my hair thoroughly. Then with the help of a rubber band, I'm gonna tie a small ponytail in the front. I'm just going to take a little section of my hair and secure this with a rubber band. And then I'm gonna start braiding it till the end. Once that's done, I'm going to secure it with another rubber band. Then I'm going to take 2 more sections from the front and the top around the braid and secure this as well with a rubber band. Once the second ponytail is secured, I'm going to braid this up as well. And once done, I'm going to secure the end with a rubber band. And then I'm going to take the last 2 sections and repeat the same. Tighten it like the previous ones and braid it up as well. And then I'm going to secure this as well with a rubber band. And I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to do a middle partition again. I'm going to take a section of my hair in the front, and to make that process easier, I'm going to make sure it looks like a triangle. And then I'm going to secure this with a hairpin. Okay, I know I'm looking funny, but bear with me, it gets better. So now with the rest of my hair, I'm going to tie a half ponytail on this side. Make sure it's a little on the top. Once your half ponytail is ready, secure it with a hair tie. Now I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. Now I'm going to untie this section of my hair. And then I'm going to tie a braid. And then I'm going to secure it with a hair tie. Then I'm going to loosen up my braid a little bit. Make sure you do this very gently. And then pull it all the way back where the ponytail is. Make an opening in the middle and pull my pony out from the middle of the braid. There you have it. This is half of the look and I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. And then tie this as well with a hair tie. Now just like the previous braid, I'm going to loosen up this braid as well. Make an opening here as well and pull my ponytail out from it. And there you have it, another cute hairstyle that works for greasy hair. ये थे मेरे टॉप 3 हेयर स्टाइल्स फॉर ग्रीजी हेयर इन मॉनसून। तो रेडी हो जाओ टू गेट योर ग्लैम ऑन इवन ड्यूरिंग द रेन्स एंड डोंट लेट द फ्रिज नॉक योर कॉन्फिडेंस एट ऑल। Stay tuned to Be Beautiful for more such life hacks and for that आपको इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना है and of course हमारे Be Beautiful चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है to stay updated with all our latest videos. Bye!